Hello. Hi, my name's Charlotte. What's your name?
Hello, Charlie. My name is Mohammed Ramzan.
Ramzan.
Yes.
Okay. And you just wanted to talk today, some questions?
Yes, correct.
So I've got a lot of questions.
Oh, a lot of questions.
Okay. Where are you calling from today?
I'm calling from India.
India.
Yes.
Whereabout in India are you?
It is in northern part of India.
Oh, okay. I've been to Delhi, but that's it.
Okay.
Just Delhi, yeah. So do you work?
Yes, I am a software developer. I develop websites and mobile apps.
Wow. Developer.
Yes.
So what do you do every day when you go to work? What does it involve?
So you mean that how I start the day or something else?
Yeah, are you on a computer?
Yes.
Yeah, all day on a computer.
Yes, the whole day I uh, sit in front of the computer.
And do you like it?
Yes, of course I would have to because I started my career in this and now I am earning with this profession, so obviously I will have to.
You have to. And do you work with a team or do you work alone?
Currently I am alone, but if I would have some extra task, then I have some friends, so I
Oh,
give them and they are helping me. Yes.
and do you like to work on your own or do you like working as a team more?
I am interested to work in a team, but I started my work 1 year back, and from there onwards, I am not much confident to hire those people who will be cooperative. And also, I am just trying to get some training from professionals and that how I need to grow. So I've
Oh,
been reading
okay.
the books. Yes, learning.
And do any of the people that you sometimes ask to work with you, are they all from India? There's no one from any other countries?
Yes, those who are developer and designer, they are from India, but those who are clients, they are from non-India.
Oh, where are they from? So where
They
are
are
the...
from, yes, Europe, Australia, USA,
Okay.
Israel.
So
Yes,
everywhere.
everywhere. Because I have a profile on Fiverr, and other than that, I have my own personal website. So in there, whoever is reading some article or maybe uh, going through my profile on LinkedIn, so they are just connecting me.
Okay, I see. So are you the manager or do you have a manager? Are you the boss?
I am all rounder right now.
You are. So you are.
I have started my company, so I
Oh,
have to do
okay, okay.
everything on my own. And according to the pressure of the work, I would hire someone else later on.
But you're the boss at the moment.
Yes, I am the boss.
And do you have to go to meetings every week? Do you have like meetings?
Yes, I have meetings with clients, and not every week. Nowadays, I don't have any type of special meeting, but earlier, I had 2 meetings every day. So I was working for a client and trying to connect with some other organizations. So I
Oh,
was the technical head of them. So that's why I try to connect with those people who are CEOs and other project managers and all.
so do you want to improve your English speaking so that you can further your career and yeah, to
Yes,
make
yes,
money?
obviously. Yes, yes, you already know that. If,
Oh,
yes, if we are confident in English, then obviously the people who are non-Indian, I mean, living in the other countries, so they have the only option to connect with me, and that is
yeah,
English.
yeah, definitely. So do you get many emails each day that you have to reply to?
Yes, yes, of course.
And are you replying to them in English or how do
Yes,
you?
yes,
Yeah,
English.
English. Okay. And what do you want to do in the future with your company? Do you want to stay with this like, you want to stay doing this, or do you want to improve, or what are you doing?
Actually, this 2021 is my golden year. So
Oh, is
I
it?
am yes, I'm trying to invest in almost all the aspects because wherever I am getting opportunities, so I try to cooperate with other people who are working in other fields. So trying to invest and trying to start new businesses. So in
Oh,
that way, I am just in my business right now.
okay. So you're expanding the business. Okay.
Yes.
And now we're going to move on to hobbies. So do you have
Yes.
any hobbies?
I have.
Just working all the time.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah. So when you're not, but do you like to watch movies? Is there anything? Do you play video games?
No, no. As I already told you that I have this golden year, so
Oh,
I
okay, so
have.
it's a business focused year.
Yes, I am well focused on everything which is just giving me the profit.
But there must be something that you do. You've got to have the break from the business to make sure the business is okay. So there must be something that you like to do that isn't working.
Yes, the best thing is like Cambly. Just
Oh,
like I am
gambling.
interacting with you, then the whole frustration get removed. I mean, everything get cool.
So do you have like, so you're not doing anything apart from working in your spare time? There must be something that you do when you.
Yes, yes, I have. Nowadays, I am listening some audiobooks.
Okay, audiobooks, yeah.
Yes.
What kind of audiobooks do you like to listen to?
I mean, there is a YouTube channel, and over there, a person is just uploading the summary of all the popular books, which are
Oh, okay.
related to business, related to subconscious mind, and all. I mean, those which can help us to improve.
Okay, and how old are you? Sorry.
I am 24.
So you're still young. You should be going out. You're still so young.
Yes, obviously. And you?
So do you have any close friends?
Yes, I have close friends. So you are 23.
No, I'm not 23. I wish I was 23. I'm at 30.
30.
Yeah.
But I can't believe because you are not looking like a
Well, that's
30
good then.
years old girl. Yeah?
Well, that's good then. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
So do you see your friends often, your close friends? Do you see them all the time?
No, I don't have any type of close friends. I
Oh, you
try
don't?
to live alone, yes, in my office all the time.
If I was trying to move you away from the office to talk about hobbies, what do you watch? Do you watch movies when you're?
Yes, I watch. I mean, the Hollywood movies, I specifically focus on the business movies. And yes, I watched one business movie someone recommended me, and
A biz?
that was really bad. So that was sorry.
Okay.
One
Yeah,
moment.
yeah, that's fine.
That movie was. I mean, there were some moral lessons in that. Wolf of Wall Street.
Oh, The Wolf of Wall Street. Do you not like that film?
Actually, there
No.
was a lot of nonsense in that, so I couldn't
Yeah, I
able
don't
to.
like that film either. I actually don't like
Yes,
it. No, it's not my.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it's just he's just a bit annoying in it. Isn't he? So is there any hobbies that you don't do but that you'd like to do? So is there anything like, do you like to ride a bike or like
Yes,
play?
yes, yes. I always earlier I was trying to sing.
Oh,
So
sing.
singing, yes.
Oh, so you're a good singer then.
Yes, yes, yes. If I would not have this profession, then obviously I would be a singer.
Oh wow! So you've
Just
gone
like, sorry?
so you've gone the business route though, not the singing route. What
Actually,
kind
I
of
have.
music do you like?
What kind of?
Yeah, what kind of music do you like to listen to?
Justin Bieber.
Yeah, I like Justin Bieber too.
Baby, baby, oh.
At least you know the words.
Yes.
So, do you like sports?
Yes, I like, but not much because I just have the fear that maybe there would be any ball that would be fallen on my eyes, and I just imagine that
Oh, like cricket?
what would be the worst scenario?
Really? It's really odd. And what's your favorite movie? Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, Pursuit of Happiness.
Oh, Pursuit of I've never seen that film.
You have not seen?
No, I'll have to watch it. I've never seen it. I'll write it down.
That was really a great movie.
Okay. And do you like shopping? Do you like to go shopping?
Shopping, sorry?
When
Shopping?
you've made all your money? Yeah, shopping, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
What do you like to shop for when you go shopping? Clothes or
Yes, beautiful. I mean, costly hard drives and
Oh, okay. So you like all the gadgets then? Like an
yes,
electronic gadget type of thing.
yes.
Okay. And then what do you like about your home country? Going on to your home country now. What do you like about India?
Everything is, I mean, everything is good here. We are safe. We are having calm atmosphere. I mean, the place where I am living, there is a greenery, and we have the snowfall. We have
Oh, really? You have
diversity. Yes.
snowfall as well? I didn't know that. Because I went to India and it was so hot. So you've got snowfall where you are as well. That's crazy.
Yes.
And what do you dislike about India?
I dislike about pollution
Oh yeah, yeah,
because there is
definitely.
not much control on that, so that's why.
Yeah, that's a good answer.
Yes.
And is there a famous place in your hometown?
Yes, we have all the famous places here,
Like
like
one?
historical buildings, I mean.
Yeah, historical buildings. Okay. And where is your hometown? So what is it called? Where you're from? Where you were born?
That is Rajouri.
I say it again.
Rajouri.
Rajouri. Rajouri. Is that right?
Rajouri.
Rajouri.
Yes, correct.
Okay. That's one one word I've learnt today in Indian.
Yes.
Okay. And where do you live now?
Yes, in the Rajouri.
You still live there? Okay. Okay, I'm with you now. And this is it a big city or is it a small town?
No, this is a small city.
A small city. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And what places in your hometown are fun? Like, do you have what's fun about it?
I mean, you already discussed about the friends and all. So when
Yeah, so you just like staying in and out.
when I have to waste the time, then I just go with them on the hills and all. So there is a lot of greenery, and all.
Okay.
We are trying to enjoy the whole day, and we are thinking
There's a
that
lot of
we
nature.
have no responsibility at all in this world.
Yeah,
And
that's good. Well, we're
yes.
running out of time now, but the next time you come, I've got all these questions.
Okay, okay, that's
So
great.
we've only got to here. So the next time we have there, and then I have another sheet.
Okay, please mark that, and we will be continuing.
Right,